Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, because first of all I'd like to show you the fastest way to check the IMEI number, and then I'll show you a longer way through the settings. So let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Then we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Then we have to find Detailed Info and Specs. Let's tap on it. And then tap on the status, which is at the very bottom of the list. And as you can see, after scrolling down just a little bit, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.